We're going to continue on now. Well, the last video we posted, we did the doors and we modified the end caps. Now we're going to continue by adding on their windows. So we're going to start by inserting our windows right over here. So give me 1 second just to see where my drawing is. And we're going to start adding windows. Perfect. So hopefully you guys are liking the videos I'm posting. Just give me 1 second. So yes, we're going to start adding windows. So now we're going to go to our annotation. Not annotation, wrong one, sorry. Go home, tools, and go to design. From here, we're going to go to the windows. So again, if your windows are not loaded, you could go more window tools, add them in. You could also just remake a new tab, like so, new tab palette, type in windows, then go to the content browser, find the windows you want. It should be under doors and windows. The windows you want, and just bring them all in like you choose. Alright, so we're going to take the casement window, which is found right over here. And from there, we're going to continue on to the object. But before we start, like we've always done, we check to see our properties of our drawing. So the properties width size should be 3'4". The height should be 5'3". The path along, it should be outside to frame. No, sorry, not this one. The position along the wall, sorry, should be offset center. We're going to have an automatic offset of 1'8", sorry. My bad. Justification center. The vertical alignment, we're going to leave it as sill. And we're going to have a sill height from the ground of 3'4". So now we have all our settings set. Let's go place our window in the back, right over here, the corner. So we're going to click the wall. And there's our window placed at 1'8". We're going to click it. And there's our first window. Now the next window we're going to put it in the middle, in the back, right over here. And we're going to place it so it's equal 13'8", 13'8" on both sides. And we're going to place the window. Oops. My bad, I got the snaps on. So let's go erase this window, sorry. Click on this one, go back to add selected, and I'll just click on the wall. So now we have the window placed, and it's still the same settings because I took the one that said add selected. So copy the same settings I had before. So now that we entered the windows, let's go change the width of our frame. So we're going to click on the window, like we've done before, edit style. From dimensions, we're going to change the width from 2 to 4 inches. We're going to press OK. And now both of them have the frame much bigger. The next thing we're going to do now is we're going to add another window. We're going to add the casement double window. Same thing again. Let's go check our units. So it should be 5'11". Our width is good. I think actually I'm going to modify this one, sorry. We're going to change this window here. We're going to go here, and we're going to change this window, browse. Still loading. Come on. From here to double. Sorry about the coughing. We're going to change it to a double casement, and we're going to change the width. This is what we're going to do instead. We're going to change it to what's his number I said before? 5'11". So we took the same window and we just made it the one we added before, and we just changed the width of it. But again, it still kept the distance on this side. Go back to edit styles like we did before. Go to dimensions and type in 4 inches. Press OK. And like that, you have the door set. The window set, sorry. Good. Once that is done, just hit the save button so it doesn't crash. Let's just see what we did so far. We added one window over here and another window placed right over here. So we have our two windows of our doors from before. Let's go back to the top view. Always insert the windows from the top view. Let's go add a corner window. So let's go back to tool palettes, design tools, and let's go add a corner window. So that one there is not going to be under windows. It's going to be under a new tab called corner window. And we're going to look for corner frame picture, which is the one right over here. Corner frame picture. We're going to click on it. And like we've done before, let's go set our values. Our width 1, so you see here, which is E, would be right over here. We're going to set it to 3'4". Our width 2, which is the F side. Again, the letters are right beside which one is which. We're going to put it to 4'7". All right. Our height, we're going to put it to 5'3". And our vertical alignment, we're going to put it back to sill. And again, we're going to put it off the ground, 3'4". So they're all aligned nicely. Now that we have that set, we're going to go and put it in the corner of our house, right over here. Click. So we have the 3'4" on top, on the left, and the 4'7" on the right. And there's our corner window. Again, like we've done before, we're going to change our frame size to 4 inches. So we're going to grab the same window, edit styles, go dimension, change the width of the frame to 4 inches. So now they're all set to 4. Good. So now if I go zoom out on my drawing, you'll see we have the one window up here, which is 5'11" by 5'3", which is a casement double window. There's our corner window right over here. Sorry about the coughing. And then we have our other window placed right here, which is 3'4" by 5'3". Now we're going to save. And now that you've added the 3 windows, we're going to move those windows along the wall thickness. All right. So now we're going to move along the wall thickness for the windows. So like we did before, we're going to grab a window. This one here. And we're going to go click reposition within. So you can even click on the little dot here, oops, or hover over, sorry. And you see you have them move along, move within, move vertically. So when you do move along option, it can move along the wall length. If you do move within, it's going to be moving the grips within the thickness of the wall. And if you move vertically, well, it's going to move it in the plan view as well. So we're going to want to move within. So we're going to click the blue, not click hover over, sorry. And we're going to go choose move within. And see now it's moving within the drawing. So we're going to move the cursor upward and type in 2. So like we did before, see now it's above the installation. Now we're going to put the sills afterwards, and we're going to adjust that. So now that we fixed that one there, the next step we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing for the other 2 windows. Grab this window here, grab the blue, move within, and we're going to move upward 2 inches. There we go. Do the same thing for this window over here. Click, hover over the blue, move within 2 inches. So now they're all within the 2 marks. The next thing we're going to do is do like we did before with the end caps. But this time we already have it built. So if I go choose this wall over here, and I go to edit styles, and I go to end caps, where it says windows and doors, assemblies, I could go here and put door 3D. So now it's going to close it off for me. Press OK. And you see here, I didn't do it. Let's see again. Let's try again. Edit styles. I think I should have did Windows 2 to 3D. There we go. By doing the 3D, we see we have it set. But it's not really that pretty. Actually, it is. This is exactly like they had it before. See, now everything is set and everything is done correctly right off the bat. Thank you. On the next video, I'm going to be doing inserting the entrance door. So hit save before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.